Check this out, man. This is Young Bay Chef with another 2-minute recipe for black-eyed peas and cabbage. Now, first you want to sort your black-eyed peas, rinse them hoes off, and then throw them up in a pot, man. Then we're going to go ahead and soak these motherfuckers. So you want to get about 8 cups of water. We're going to let that soak for like 8 hours or overnight. If you ain't got that long, you can soak them in some boiling water for about 1 hour, you feel me? After that, then you want to rinse them hoes off, and we about ready to cook these motherfuckers, man. So we're going to go ahead and get our motherfucking vegetables straight. I use carrots, green bell pepper, some garlic, and some onion. I like to throw a motherfucking hot chili up in there as well. Then we get some EVO, put that in the pot. Then we're going to cook them motherfucking vegetables down to them onions about translucent than a motherfucker, man. Then we're going to go ahead and get our seasoning together. We got some liquid smoke. We got some Creole Seasoning and some thyme, salt and pepper, of course. Then we're going to go ahead and get our fucking stock together, man. I like to use that vegetable stock. You can use whatever kind of stock you like, though, player. It don't matter to me. Then we're going to put that shit in the pot. We're going to bring that to a boil. Cover that motherfucker and let it simmer down, player. You feel me? After that, we're going to get our cabbage straight. We're going to cut that into 4 pieces, take the cabbage apart, and then we're going to motherfucking season that bitch. We're going to put on some of that green seasoning that I showed y'all how to make when we made that curry. Then I'm going to put some jerk seasoning on that bitch. Then we're going to go ahead and put that on a pan. Turn our motherfucking oven up to 350, you feel me? And then we're going to cook that motherfucker, man. Cook that motherfucker until it's at the texture that you like, fam. And then we're going to check on our beans, man. We're going to look at these beans, man. Beans looking good, man. We ready to eat, you feel me? I'm going to say Happy New Year. This is the Young Bay Chef with another 2-minute recipe. Like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Yay!